Hi guys, Yegi here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're enjoying your day. Those of you that don't know me, I am an eyelash artist, an educator, and a salon owner. Please feel free to comment below if you have any questions, but some of you have asked for a classic wispy look, how to get a wispy full set with just using classic eyelashes without using any volume fans. So here we go. I will use the Yegi Matte Ellipse Flat Lashes in 0.18 thickness and in B curl. We are going to use lengths 6, 8, 10, 12, and 15. Since the Matte Ellipse Flat Lashes don't come in 6 through 8 millimeter, for the inner corners we will use the regular mink lashes in 0.15 B curl for the 6 and the 8 millimeter, and the 0.18 Matte Ellipse Flat for the rest. We will divide the lash area in 5 sections and apply the lashes from shortest to longest. And to try to achieve a wispy look, we are going to apply 11 millimeter lashes in between all the different lengths.
Hold me close till I get up.
I'm using the Mega Glue adhesive. You will only need a couple drops and you want to make sure to not use too much glue. You shouldn't see the glue on the lash. As long as the lash is dipped in and has glue on it, that's enough. A little really does go a long way. The client wants a dark classic look, so we are going with our matte flat ellipse lashes. We're going to use the 0.18, and actually these lashes have a split end, so they look like 2 lashes at the tips, and it does make the classic set appear fuller for those clients that want it as dark as possible but still stick with the classic set instead of volume. The B curl is perfect for straight lashes as they sit on top of the natural lashes nicely. They are also a great set for anyone who doesn't want a noticeable curl and wants a very natural looking set. Oh, and also the ellipse lashes have a flat base, so they do seem to bond better and have longer retention on the natural lashes as well.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
If you dip the extension with too much glue, you can wipe some adhesive off your ring. You don't want to apply too much glue to the natural lash as they will clump up and sometimes not dry in time, so make sure you're using little glue. If your client has natural lashes that are not straight and they're facing different directions, you can place the extension on the side of the natural lash. It doesn't always have to go on top. As long as the base is attached and bonded with the extension, you should be fine. Lifting lashes with your tweezers to get the lashes on the bottom of the lash line is a technique used to help your set become full by not missing any baby lashes or any lashes that will help your client keep a fuller, longer set.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands,
when you're applying lashes to the outer or inner corners of your client's eyes, you can actually ask them to tilt their head, so then you're not straining your body by trying to adjust you. It will be much easier to apply in the inner or outer corners if you're just asking them to tilt their head a little bit to the left or right. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps me out to be able to do more free videos for you. Now I have to get back to lashing. Go, go, go. See you next time. Oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss any future lash tutorials. Okay, bye.